Overnight, we got new documents about the University of Idaho murder case. Court documents say the recent Dateline special about the case showed information that is not publicly available yet. The judge in the case is now trying to figure out where that leak came from. He has ordered the state and defense to tell the court every person who had access to these court records. During the hearing yesterday, the court did not say they were thinking about changing the trial date because of this. The judge also told attorneys he's planning to use a total of 20 jurors, so there will be 8 alternates. The judge also said if a victim requests it, their face will not be shown during the broadcast. We also learned Kohberger's defense plans to introduce evidence of alternate suspects. KREM 2's Amanda Rowley has more to every story after getting some insight on this from a former Idaho Attorney General.
Evidence of an alternate suspect is something Brian Kohberger's defense attorneys have mentioned on and off for months now. Right now, they're preparing to present this information at a hearing in June. Now, the judge asked the defense for 2 things. He wants to see evidence supporting these allegations and why it should be admissible. The judge called much of what they've submitted as objectionable. The defense has 1 week to provide the court with the requested information. After the state responds, the evidence will be discussed in a hearing on June 18th. Former Idaho Attorney General David Leroy believes addressing this now is a step the judge is likely taking to avoid a delay in the trial.
Well, the judge is requiring this activity and putting a deadline on it so that he and the rest of the world can be assured that there won't be any delay in the trial. He's not going to allow speculation about speculation. If this evidence is teed up, ready to go and admissible, we'll know that well before jury selection. And if it's not, it won't be a factor in the trial.
If the evidence is admissible and there is some persuasive value, the judge won't stop it from being presented at trial. Now, Leroy says in this case, it comes down to having specific evidence that somebody else was in or around the premises at the critical time, something he says hasn't been brought forward just yet. Amanda Rowley, KREM 2 News.
You can watch the latest developments in the Moscow murder case right now on our streaming app. You can also watch our special on how this tragedy impacted the Moscow community. Just download the free KREM 2 Plus app on your TV.